In this tutorial, we're going to look at Fotobabble. Fotobabble allows you to create talking photos. So you can take your favorite photo or a photo that you found on the web and add some audio to it. So I've already logged into Fotobabble. If you want to create a Fotobabble account, you need to have an email address. So if you want to create Fotobabble accounts for your students, you can use a service like 10-Minute Mail to generate a temporary internet email account and use that to register at Fotobabble. I've already logged in. Here is your dashboard. As you build your Fotobabbles, you will see them on the first screen. I'm going to go ahead and click Create New. And when we get to Create New, we see we have two options. We can either choose a photo from our computer, so if you already have something saved on your computer, you can browse your computer and upload it here. Or if you found a picture on the internet that you want to use, you can simply copy and paste the URL into this box. I'm going to browse for a picture that I have on my computer. And we'll use this one. And I'll go ahead and click Create. So it'll take a minute and it will upload the photo, and you will see the photo right here. Alright, now one thing that you can do is you can add a theme, and the theme basically gives your photo a border or a background, and you can see, you can change that. There's different ones that you can choose from. You can scroll down, and there aren't a whole lot of themes that you can choose from, but there are some. So if you want to pick a theme that's appropriate for your picture, go ahead and do that. Scroll down to the bottom, and the next thing we're going to do is create a title for our Fotobabble. Here are the settings. You can mark it public or private. Public means that everybody who logs into the Fotobabble website could see it. Private means that only you and the people that you give the link to can see it. So depending on if you're using this for a school project, you might want to set it to public or to private to protect the students, but that's your choice. Tags will allow you to search for the Fotobabble easier, so you can put in tags, but tags are optional. And there's a beta version of a slideshow using Fotobabbles, and that's what this is for here. So we're not doing the slideshow right now, so we'll go ahead and leave that blank. Alright, you may, while you're working with Fotobabble, get a message that looks like this. If you do get that message, go ahead and click Allow. It won't hurt anything. And then we'll come down here and we'll click Save so that it will accept our title change. And we should see that load here. So here's our new title that we typed in. Now the cool thing about Fotobabble is that you can make your photos talk. So you see that there is, and we'll go ahead again, if that message pops up, just click the Allow button. You can see down here that there's a record button. So if we click record, we would be able to narrate this photo, or we would be able to add our audio to this photo. You need to have a microphone connected to your computer, or if you're using a laptop computer, you probably have a microphone built in. I am not going to record anything because I'm already using my microphone to record the screencast. But you would click record, and then when you're done, you would click stop. And to hear that, you would go ahead and click play. Alright, so we have completed our Fotobabble. So after you make your recording, you'll want to go back down and save it again. Okay, now you need to decide what do you want to do with this Fotobabble. So we're going to scroll up, and over here on the right hand side we have this section called Share This Fotobabble. So we see the familiar icons. We can post it to Facebook, we can Twitter it, we can email it to someone. It also gives us a link to email, to send in an email, or we can actually take this Fotobabble and embed it into a web page. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose the autoplay feature, and I'm going to go ahead and copy this embed code, and I'm going to come back here to a web page that I already have started, and I'm going to embed the Fotobabble in this web page. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and we'll put it down here. Now to do this, you're going to have to go into your web page editor. You're going to have to click the source button. The source button will allow you to see the source code that's behind all of your editing, and we'll come down here and we will paste in the source code that we got from Fotobabble, and then we'll go and we'll click source. And you probably won't be able to see it right to start, but if you scroll down and you click edit article, That will save that, and then you should be able to scroll down to the bottom and you should see that it's loading your Fotobabble. And if you clicked autoplay, it should automatically play when the page loads. Otherwise, you will have a play button down here that you can play the Fotobabble. So that's using Fotobabble to make your pictures talk.